Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channels, and this is the Olympiad maths question. You can see this algebra question. A plus b is equals to 10 and ab equals 24. We need to find the value of a and b here. So how to find this a and b value? So you can see here ab equals to 24. This is this equation, and in this is equation number 1, this is equation number 2. And so from the equation number 1, first of all we will find the value of b, a value. So you can see here the a value, you can find any value a or b, it's your choice. Suppose we find here the b value, so b value is 10 minus a. So put this value in equation number 2, which is equation number 2, ab equals to 24. We'll put here the value of b here, 10 minus a equals to 24. Now after that multiply it, a into 10 is the 10a minus a square, okay, and right hand side is 24 as it is. After that this is the quadratic equation, we'll make the quadratic equation. So your a square should be a positive, so this portion should be positive, this portion is a square is the positive, so we'll take out minus common, so it will minus 10a and it is positive a square, so that it will, the sign of a square is the positive. So and this minus sign goes to right hand side, so our 24 will become negative 24, okay. So you can see we will write this equation in the systematic form, in the standard form, a square minus 10a, and this minus 24 goes left hand side, so it will positive, and here is the 0. Now we have the last number is the 24, so we have to find two factors so that the sum of these two factors should be a 10. So these two factors are 6 and 4, because 6 plus 4 is the 10 and 6 into 4 is the 24. So we will split this 10a in 6a plus 4a. So here the negative sign outside, so this negative sign goes inside, so it is 6 minus 6a and minus 4a. We will just use the factorization method for finding the value of a. So you can see here the a value is, if a is the common, so a minus 6, and here if the 4 minus 4 is common, so a minus 6 equal to 0. So a minus 6 is common in this expression, and here a minus 4 inside equal to 0, okay. So you can see there are two values of a, because factors, there are two factors, a minus 6 and a minus 4. So obviously the value of a is 2 times, we got the value 2 times, a equals to 6 and a equals to 4. So how to find the b value? We know if a equals to 6, so our what is this equation, can we write this equation is equation number 3. So b equals to 10 minus a, this is equation number 3. From, we'll write here equation number 3. So equation number 3 is a, put the value of a, you'll get the value of b, 10 minus 6, which is equal to 4. So if a equals to 6, so b is 4. So we will write this a and b, a1 and b1. So if a is 6, so b is 4. Similarly, if a is 4, so your b is b equals to 10 minus a, so b equals to 10 minus 4 equals to 6, so b is 6. So you can see here the if you suppose this is a second value of a, so we'll write the a2, and this is second value of b, b2, so a2 b2 is 4 into 6. So these are the two values of a and b in two cases. First case is this and second case is this. Hope you have understood this question, and do not miss any step, and press the subscribe the channel and press the bell icon for upcoming videos. Thank you and thanks for watching.